Hey guys, this is Justin from the Carguments podcast, and this is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS at Exotics Racing. So this car is amazing. It handles corners like no other. It has so much grip, and I really don't feel like I pushed it to its limits, even though I got my best lap of the day in it. But hope you enjoy.
3 laps. I think you'll really like this car. It's kind of like a giant go-kart. It handles really well. It has rear steering, so it really carves through the corner really well.
Okay.
Especially compared to the other cars you've been in.
Okay.
I can't really compare it to any other car.
Okay.
So yeah, you'll
so I can turn
just,
even tighter then?
Yeah, you'll notice that it just really reacts pretty well.
Okay.
Right over the blue stripe, but stay left once you're over it. The other thing we worked on was your eyes coming up sooner too.
Right.
So when you're in the brake zone already, look through the corner. So nice hard brake pressure. Get a feel for that. Ease off the brake as you turn. So you can tell the brakes are really good in this car.
Right.
So I still want that pressure, but we're going to try braking a little later. So hard brake, ease off as you turn. So even that, yeah, keep that pressure level. Nice. Off throttle, good patience, wait for those cones. Now squeeze back on. Nice, just like that. Brake hard, ease off the brake, patience with the throttle. Now squeeze on to full. Corner. Nice. Squeeze throttle, then full throttle to the exit cone. Nice. There you go. So keep going, brake hard. Ease off the brake and turn. Wait. Squeeze throttle. Nice. Just like that. Keep going, brake hard. Ease off the brake, eyes up. Wait.
A
Squeeze
little
throttle.
early in the turn.
What was that?
Was I a little early in the
No,
turn?
that was good.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Brake hard. Stay straight off the brake turn. Wait with that throttle a little bit. Now throttle. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Brake hard. Eyes up. Wait a second. Throttle. There we go. Brake hard, eyes up, ease off. There we go. Nice. That was good. Squeeze throttle. Go, go, go. Brake hard, eyes up, ease off. Wait a second. Throttle. That was good. Just like that. You got it. Off throttle. Wait a second. Turn. A little bit low with the eyes there. I saw that. Back to throttle. Just get right back into it. Brake hard. Eyes up. Wait a second with that throttle. Now start squeezing to full. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Brake. Eyes through the corner. Wait a second. Throttle. Yes. Unwind. There we go.
just wanted to thank the team here at Exotics Racing. This was a lot of fun. I really appreciate all their hard work and helping me out here. And yeah, if you want to check it out, exoticsracing.com. It's probably the most fun thing anyone can do if you're into cars. I mean, this was a blast. So thanks again, Exotics Racing, and we'll see you later.